learning how to do a chest pass. And like, you can use that skill in a basketball game or a basketball drill, even when you're like playing with your friends. And to do that skill, you need to learn the cues for that, and that's stepping with your right dominant foot and extending your arms out and pushing the ball. So I'm gonna use Chaz as an example. So step, extend, push. And that'd be a chest pass like that. So let's see it. Everyone line up behind Chaz, and we'll demonstrate how to do a chest pass. Make sure to do the cues as step, extend, release to properly throw it. Make sure to follow through too when you're passing the ball. So let's see it.
Step, extend, release.
All right, yeah, good job using the follow through because it really got to the target. All right, Matt, let's see it.
Step, extend, release.
All right, nice throw. All right, Matt, let's see it.
Step, extend, release.
All right, now we're gonna get in the circle, and I'm gonna throw you a chest pass, and then I'm gonna want you guys to tell me some positive things you learned about the chest pass, and like when you would use it in a game, or like some negative things about the lesson today, and like how would you fix it. So I'm gonna start with you, Matt. So I'm gonna throw you a chest pass, and when you get the ball, you can talk. No one else can talk until they get the ball. All right, you can go first.
Positive thing, I didn't know how to use the chest pass, and now I know.
All right.
A negative thing, what happens if there's a blocker or another person in front of me on the other team? What other moves could I use?
Well, we'll be going over that next class. I'll see the ball. So if there's someone like in front of you, or like if you're passing to someone and you can't use a chest pass, another good useful skill would be a bounce pass. That's pretty much the same thing. It's step, extend, you bounce like that. You can use one hand or two hands.
Okay.
And that's also a useful skill because if someone's like right there, you can like get it into a certain angle and where the player is, so the person won't intercept the ball for a chest pass.
Oh,
So
it's
Chaz, what are some positive and negative things you learned about the chest pass?
Positive thing I learned about the lesson was how to properly aim a chest pass.
And using the ball through.
And then a negative thing would be I'm unsure in a game situation what to do if the chest pass is unavailable.
All right. Well, as like Matt said, you wouldn't know when to use a different like kind of like passing. So if you don't know what you're gonna do, just use like good judgment and be safe about it, because you can always do like certain kind of passes, like one hand, over the head, chest, bounce, like football throw. So just basically use good judgment. If the person's like right there, you might have to do like a step to the right, like a different angle, and you just want to use like good judgment when you're on the court and like whatever you're doing, like a skill. So Matt, what are some positive and negative things you learned about the chest pass today?
Positive thing, chest pass is the most important pass, like in basketball. It's like the most used, so that we now know how to properly do that. And a negative thing, we just could have done a little bit more like hands-on drills, just to get like the muscle memory of throwing it.
Yeah. All right, so next class we will teach you how to do some bounce passing and some overhand passing, and then also we're gonna extend a lesson of like adding some like dribbling into it and like certain like movements. So like you'll like have like an opponent like guarding you, like a defender, and like you have to like dribble to the right and like chest pass, or like fake one way and like bounce pass, like just like add more variety to the lesson. But that's about it.